What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This 2008 Honda Accord has an issue eating oil, so I'm going to change out the PCV valve to see if that fixes it. I'll show you how to do that today, and then we'll do an update, I guess, a month or two from now to see if it actually did fix the issue. This is pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in.
Your PCV valve is located on the passenger side of the engine right above your alternator. You need to remove this hose first, so grab a set of pliers and remove the clamp that secures it to the valve. I'll show you how this clamp looks later when I put it back on the new valve. I will also readjust the clamp when I put it back on, so it's easier to remove in the future. Once you move the clamp down far enough, go ahead and pull this vacuum line off of the valve. This may take some force depending on your vehicle. Now just push it out of the way. The next thing you need is a 17mm deep socket like this one. You won't be able to remove the PCV valve with a standard socket due to the length of the valve, so make sure you have a deep socket. Also, you may need an extension. I'm going to use a 3-inch extension, and that should give me enough clearance to turn my wrench. Now put the socket over the PCV valve and make sure it's securely on it to prevent stripping the valve. Turn your wrench counterclockwise while using some force and it should break free. Once it's loose enough, turn the rest by hand. Now here's the old valve. Typically, a bad PCV valve won't make any noise when you shake it. Since this is making noise, I'm going to assume that it's not the culprit of the oil consumption. However, it does make a slightly different noise compared to the new one. Take a listen. The new one is actually a little quieter compared to the old one. Now, I don't think this really matters, but we will see in a month or two if this fixes the car from consuming oil. Let's install the new valve and finish this simple job. Go ahead and screw in the new valve and then tighten it. If you like going by torque specs, this valve needs to be torqued down to 33 foot-pounds. Once that is tight, go ahead and put your vacuum hose back on. Just slide it over the end of the valve. Now I'm going to make sure this clamp is in this orientation so it can easily be removed another time. So grab your pliers and then squeeze the ends of the clamp together. Then slide the clamp towards the end of the hose, but not all the way. You want to leave a couple of millimeters of the hose exposed in the back. This will ensure the clamp keeps the hose securely in place and doesn't slide off. Now just give the hose a couple of tugs to make sure it's not loose and you should be good to go. Taking a closer look, this is exactly how it should look. The hose won't come off and you have officially replaced your PCV valve in your car. That's all there is to it. If you found any part of this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss a video from our channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you on the next one.